pants. Pose with the pose with the pose with the pants. Pose with the pose with the pose with the pants. Pose with the pants. Pose with the pants. Pose with the pose with the pose with the pants.
My name is Nohadaina and I will explain the first issue about Faisal, the plaintiff versus Rina, the defendant, where Faisal bought a luxury condo from Rina, a real estate agent, because she told him it was recently renovated in perfect condition. After paying and signing the contract, Faisal found out the condo was not renovated and need major repairs. Faisal thinks Rina lied to trick him into buying and wants to cancel the contract because of fraud. The issue is whether Faisal can cancel the contract with Rina on the grounds of fraud because of a claim of fraud concerning the state of the condominium. The second issue is about Hana, the plaintiff, versus Siti, the defendant, where Hana, a small business owner, bought goods from Siti after Siti promised they were of superior quality. However, when the goods arrived, Hana found them to be defective and poor in quality. Hana believes Siti lied to deceive her into buying the goods and wants to cancel the contract because of fraud. The issue is whether Hana can cancel the contract with Siti based on fraud and fraudulent accusation concerning the quality of the goods.
Good afternoon, Mr. Faisal. I'm so glad we are finalizing this deal today. You have made an excellent choice with this condominium. It's truly a gem.
Good afternoon, Rina. Thank you for your help. Before we proceed, I just want to confirm again. You mentioned that the condominium was recently renovated and is in perfect condition, correct?
Yes, the renovation is completed 3 months ago. Everything is been updated. You won't have to worry about it.
Wow, that's great to hear. It's one of the main reasons I decided to proceed with this purchase. I trust that everything is in order.
Of course, Mr. Faisal, I pride myself on transparency and enjoying my clients are satisfied. You'll find this property to be exactly as I have described.
Alright then, I'll sign the contract.
Perfect. You can sign.
Hello, Miss Rina.
Hello? Yes?
Tell me right now, this house has many flaws. You say that this house just perfectly renovated. I want to cancel my contract.
You cannot cancel the contract because you already signed it.
I'm going to take legal action right now.
No, Mr. Faisal, let's just...
Court is now in session. First, hear the case of Faisal versus Rina. Lawyer for Faisal, please present your arguments.
Thank you, Your Honor. Under Section 19 of the Contract Act 1915, a contract is voidable if consent was caused by force. My client Faisal was induced into the contract by false representations made by Rina, who assures him that the condominium was recently renovated and is perfect conditions. Upon payment and inspections, Faisal discovered that his was untrue and the property required significant repair. This constitutes fraud under Section 70 of the same Act.
Lawyer for Rina, your response?
Your Honor, my client denies any fraudulent intent. Section 17B of the Act defines fraud as an active concealment of a fact with intent to deceive. Rina did not conceal any information but provided the property for sale as seen. It was Faisal's responsibility to inspect the property before entering into the agreement. Thus, there is no breach under the Contract Act 1950.
Your Honor, Rina explicitly stated that the property was renovated. I rely on her expertise as a real estate agent, which heavily influenced my decision to purchase.
Faisal's lawyer, do you have evidence that the representation was false and intended to deceive?
Yes, Your Honor. We have written communication where Rina specially mentions that the renovation were complete. Additionally, we have a provisional assessment of the property stating it was not renovated.
Court that the plaintiff received remedy for false misrepresentation. court declared that Rina, the defendant, intentionally misrepresented the status of the condominium, falsely stating that it had just undergone repairs and was in great shape.
Good afternoon, Siti. It's Hannah here from Hannah Snack. Hello, Hannah. How can I assist you today? I need to place an order for some goods. We are running low on stock. Sure thing. What do you need? We need 13 big box of biscuit and 10 carton of milk. Get it. 30 boxes of biscuit and 10 carton of milk. I can assure you these are of the highest quality. When do you need this delivered by? Delivered by next Friday. We are planning a big event and I want to make sure we have everything ready in time. Okay, no problem. I will arrange for the delivery by next Friday and I will send over the contract for you to review and sign. Okay.
You need to see this. These snacks are disaster. This packaging is torn and some of the teeth are still in wash. Look at this one. It's expired.
What? This is completely unacceptable. This one will be premium quality. I'm calling her right now. Hello, Siti, it's Hannah. I just received the snack delivery and this is outrageous. The package is damaged, some products are stale, and I even found expired item. How do you explain this?
Hello, Hannah.
What?
Hannah, I'm really sorry to hear that. There must have been a mix-up from warehouse. But let me check with my supplier.
A mix-up? Siti, this isn't just a small mistake. You promised me fresh, top quality snack for my event. I trusted you and now you left me with good I can use.
Hannah, I'm really sorry. I didn't mean for this to happen. Let's arrange a replacement delivery. This time, I will personally ensure the quality.
A replacement? My event is 3 days, Siti. I don't have time for this. You know how important this way, yet you still deliver bad product. This failed delivery.
Hannah, please, let's not rush into cancelling deal. We are worked together before. Let's talk this through.
Talk. There's nothing left to say, Siti. I believe my agreement to this contract was obtained through fraud. I will cancel it and demanding full refund.
Hannah, I'm sorry. I will make it right. Let's find a solution together.
The solution is simple. I'm seeking legal advice. Goodbye, Siti.
So what's the plan, Hannah?
First, we'll document everything, take photo of the defects, note the expiration date, and list all the damaged items. Then I talk to my lawyer. We need a backup plan to save the event.
The court is now in session. We will first hear the case of Hannah vs. Siti. Lawyer for Hannah, please present your arguments.
Thank you, Your Honor. Under Section 17 of the Contract Act 1915, any acts committed with the intention to disqualify distinguished wrongs. My client, Hannah, purchased goods from Siti based on her assurance that the goods were of superior quality. Upon receipt, the goods were found to be defective and of inferior quality. Siti false statement about the quality were made to induce my client into the contracts, rendering it voidable under Section 19.
Lawyer for Siti, your response?
Your Honor, the claim of fraud under Section 17 cannot stand without clear evidence of intent to deceive. Siti act in a good faith when selling the goods. Any defacement of good during the transit or storage which are beyond her control. Hannah also accept the goods without immediate complaint which undermines the truth.
Your Honor, I inspected the goods immediately upon delivery and found them defective. I trusted Siti ensured of quality, which was the sole reason I entered into the agreement.
Hannah's lawyer, do you have evidence to prove Siti's intent to deceive?
Yes, Your Honor, we have a writing agreements and communication where Siti describes the goods as superior quality. We also have photograph and expert assessment showing the goods were defective.
The court ruled that the plaintiff relied on the deception, resulting in loss since the items were faulty and of the lower quality. The court found in favor of the plaintiff, allowing the contract to be dissolved and award damage by the accused fraud.
Hi, my name is Nabatisha Balkis. So let's recall back to the issue for both of the situations. The issue for Faisal versus Rina is whether Faisal can cancel the contract with Rina on the grounds of fraud because of her claim of fraud concerning the state of the condominium. While the issue for Hana versus Siti is whether Hana can cancel the contract with Siti based on and fraudulent accusations concerning the quality of the goods. So in conclusion, both Faisal versus Rina and Hana versus Siti meet the requirements for fraudulent misrepresentation under Section 17 of the Contract Act 1950. The defendants in both cases made misleading statements to deceive, causing the plaintiff to engage in contracts they would not have agreed to otherwise. As a result, the contracts are void due to fraud and the plaintiff are entitled to legal remedies such as contract cancellation and collection of damages for their losses. So that's all from us. Thank you for watching.